It is our first day back after a week-long vacation, and it is time to get a ton of stuff done, so I thought I'd take you guys along. Hey guys, Sarah here, back for a weekly prep. We were in Duluth, Minnesota for a week and we just got back late yesterday. I have a ton of laundry to do, I have some shampooing of a carpet to do since a certain cat poops in front of the back door if he's not put away at night, and since we were gone for a week, yeah, I need to clean the rug. Gotta love pets, right? I want to do a toy rotation, a book rotation, I need to do some planning, and so it's gonna be a jam-packed weekly prep. I'm just filming this one day and I'm gonna take you guys along. So we're doing no screens for a week. We went on vacation with my parents to Duluth, Minnesota, and there were a lot of screens, more than I would ever prefer, but I kind of let it go, and when grandparents are there and stuff. Plus we had a lot of time to kill when Gwen was napping, and we didn't have like a playground or anything on the property, and I brought a lot of stuff to do, but we didn't end up playing a whole lot. But we were out and about a lot, but I just want to do no screens for a week, see how it goes. So far not going so great. Normally they get like 45 minutes of screen time on the weekends while I'm like prepping breakfast and doing laundry and running around like a crazy person, but we're going cold turkey. So they're also, sleep was not great the last week, so it's gonna be a lot of behaviors and we're just gonna have to deal with it. So we have tons of laundry to do. I already did some yesterday. This is leftover of like a towel load. Got some of the girls' laundry, got our laundry, washing pillows and stuff that they brought along so that it's all fresh and clean. So normally I would make up a big batch of pancakes or waffles, but we literally just have like a little bit of pancake mix left. So Sam's picking up groceries today. So I'm just gonna wait and make bulk tomorrow because that's not really enough to make a big bulk batch. So I'll just add that to another box to make a full bulk batch for the month. So instead, I'm just gonna make some eggs and toast for breakfast. And I didn't make the coffee last night, set it like I normally do, and I realized we're out of coffee. I'm very sad, but we'll be getting more at the grocery run today. That is one tip I have. I'm really glad I did. I meal planned for this week before we left for vacation, and I already had all my Instacart ready with my Aldi, and I had already gone to Walmart the week before for anything we needed that would, you know, last over a week. So not like produce or anything, but like pantry items that Aldi doesn't carry, I already got before we left for vacation. So literally all I had to do was schedule the pickup. I did that yesterday for today, and so Sam is just gonna stop after work on his way home. So really, really happy I did that. It's gonna save me a lot of sanity today. Breakfast is served. Duplos for the win. More laundry. I'm gonna pick up my mom's carpet cleaner, so we're gonna go outside for a little bit, and then I need to get some stuff done inside. Got my mom's carpet shampooer, so I'm gonna shampoo this rug. Kids are just playing in here. Okay, pre-treated it. Now I'm gonna wait 5 minutes and then deep clean it, which means time for more laundry. since I've got the carpet cleaner and apparently nothing else to do all day, why not clean this too? I don't know the last time I cleaned these cushions around here, so I'm gonna use the upholstery cleaner attachment to clean those as well. Four-year-old Bryony just comes down. Mama, I need some Christmas wrapping paper. I often feel like I'm on an episode of Kenan and Kel at the end where Kel is like, is it Kenan? I can't remember. One of the two is like, okay, meet me here at 6 o'clock and bring some marshmallows, an axe, and a barbed wire fence, okay? Like, I feel like they're asking me for the most random things, and I'm like, I'm trying to deep clean the upholstery. I'm not giving you Christmas wrapping paper right now. I love their imaginations, but anybody else feel me on this? Okay, I really should have vacuumed this before. I did not realize how much cat hair was on there, but oh well. It's clean. I'll vacuum it once it's all dry, but I don't know how well that worked. Who knows, but I'm done. This one's been really good. Scared out of her mind by the carpet cleaner, but done really good. The girls are upstairs, and I came up to this. Let your kids do whatever they want, is what I'm guessing. This is some kind of chart. I did not agree to this. I am very interested to know what this means. Oh goodness. Just having homemade Lunchables at home with pickle and apple. I'm just having a couple sandwiches with cut up dill pickles. That's how I like them on my sandwich. Trying to eat up food we have at home because we desperately need groceries. Okay, so I made this list last night of everything I need to do. I've washed all their comfort items and almost all of the vacation clothes. I picked up my mom's shampooer and I shampooed the carpet, and that's about it so far. Time to read some stories before I lay Gwenny down. I just laid Gwenny down. Bryony is doing her gem and fossil. She's listening to her Yodo and working on Duplos. And I'm going to get to work on toy and book rotation. So we actually have some changes in the laundry room. This used to be the main toy storage area for our toy rotation, but because we've been planning like stockpiling food, which is really smart to do regardless, but especially right now, I bought most of this before the prices started skyrocketing, so I'm really happy about that. We still need more, but it's at least a good start. And we've got like tons of beans and rice in here. We've got newspapers and stuff for fire starter, but I still kept some of the toys up here. I really wanted to put all the food storage over here, but these shelves are not in the studs, they're just in anchors, and so it would have been way too heavy. So instead I just moved all the toy bins over here, and then any overflow toys will go up there. So this has worked out really well though, because this is really super sturdy on top of this desk in the laundry room. And then we have a couple, I switch out what's over here, like big toys. So that's it right now. I just put our overflow, you know, toilet paper and paper towels up there, but we, you know, really didn't need a lot of the stuff that was up here. I donated some, I moved stuff to the garage, so not bad at all. We don't need a whole lot for laundry. And then I have just like where our lint goes, and our, these are, I've been using these. I'm not sponsored at all. I pay for these myself. These are these laundry detergent sheets. I'm on, it's like a subscription service. I think it's like $12 a month, and you use like half a sheet for a normal load, a whole sheet for a, you know, bigger than normal load. And I've noticed it works really, really well. So this is just in case I need it. And then we just got our iron and some OxyClean and stuff in here for stain remover. And then our laundry baskets go there. So this has worked out really, really well. So what I'm gonna do is get all these bins out because I don't remember where anything is. And then I'll just rotate toys from there. So here in our now messy, because I had to take all this stuff off of over here, in our playroom slash homeschool room. So this is one of the areas that I rotate toys, as well as in the living room. I'll also be rotating these out. And so I'm just gonna start pulling all of this down to the floor. I'll go grab the stuff from the living room and then go from there. Okay, I got all the toys out that were in the living room. I got all the toys out of the laundry room. Magnetiles here, so I'm just gonna start by filling up these shelves, then I'll fill up the living room shelves. Okay, so up here we've got our little garden. You can make your own garden. They love playing with these blocks in many different ways. Got those. This is just like fidget toys and different things. So they love these. I forget what they're called. Nesting doll. This like look and find thing, and this is this little like Montessori coin toy they all like to play with. Got these lakeshore people. A barn. I'm just gonna move down here. Sometimes if they're not playing with it a lot in one room, I move it to another, and sometimes they go for it. And then I like to keep this. This has the felt mats that I made, and put some cars. Got like a camper and some houses and lots of little peg dolls and animals and things. And this little fine motor hedgehog porcupine thing. Now I'm gonna switch these out. I have a whole bunch of different ones up here that I can switch out. Okay, so in this area in the living room, got old phones and cameras, their favorite. I added Etch-a-Sketch. They can pretend it's like a TV or a computer or whatever. This little hammer toy from IKEA. This pop-up toddler toy Gwenny loves. This airplane. Our cash register that's seen better days. I brought the pizza set up for our play kitchen. They love this toy with the balls. I moved our treehouse toy up here. It was down in the playroom. They played with it a lot, and since it's summertime, I thought this would be great to like take to the dining table and play with, or even in our bay windows where toddlers may not knock it over, or a toddler. And then I've got all of our dollhouse stuff because I put the dollhouse right here. This door we rarely go into. It's a little closet, very shallow closet behind our refrigerator. And so I have the dollhouse here and all the toys there. And then I also brought up our ice cream set. I just separated it here so it's easier to find all the pieces. And then this is really the only doll they ever play with. Gwenny loves this one, so I just took all the rest of the dolls out for now. I can always bring them back in, but that is our rotated toys. Now it's time for books. So this was here, but I moved the chair. I'm moving this over to this corner, so I'm gonna fill that up. I'm gonna switch out books in both all my girls' rooms and then down in the playroom. If you didn't know, this is our book cabinet. We also get lots of books from the library that go in that little vintage fruit crate, so we need to go to the library, but it's closed for the next couple days because of the 4th of July. So I'm just gonna do the books that I place around the house using this shelf. I have a whole video on how I organize a bunch of stuff, but books is in there if you guys want a more detailed video. But if there's ever a holiday coming up, I will pull books for that. I don't think I have any 4th of July books. Halloween, Easter, yeah. Father's Day, no, I don't have any 4th of July books, so no big deal. I'm just gonna pull from that. Okay, these are all the books I'm gonna switch out. I've got books for Celia's little book reading nook in her room. This is from the playroom. Those are like looking books. I think I'm actually gonna put this up in that up high area that I cleaned today, and then this will be books that Gwen can look at, and that'll be like bigger kid books maybe. And then that's from Bryony's room, our 4-year-old, and that's in the living room. That's the other one in the playroom. And then I'll get some board books to switch out to Gwen's room, but she's sleeping right now. So first thing I'm gonna do is just go through here and see if there's any books I want before I start taking stuff apart. Got books for the living room that they can just sit and look at. We've got books for the playroom, books for Bryony's room, books for Gwen's room, books for Celia's room, and then I'm actually gonna put these in with our library books because, you know, we read a lot, and so there's a lot of our books that I want to actually sit down and read with them, whereas the rest are mostly just like independent, or they randomly will ask me to read them, but when we're actually doing our story times, we can pull from all of these. So here are the books in Celia's room. These are ones she can look at, and these are all readers she could read on her own. This is dry now, so I put the other little book rack up here so they can read books up here. Okay, toy and book rotation is done. Sam just got home with the groceries. That's done. So I need to pay bills. I need to absolutely do this newsletter today. Budget bills, I'm just gonna do that a different day. Nothing's due right now, so I'm not too worried about it. And then planning is what I really want to sit down and do. Okay, got my newsletter. I'm gonna publish it right now. So I got this big like desk calendar. I'm gonna put this on the wall actually in my office, but so I can easily take it down and reference it or bring it wherever I need. So I have most of, you know, I got like August planned out because I'm gonna be making some changes to my business, as you guys will see soon. But I'm gonna go through and like plan my Instagram posts for the rest of July. Like I have all of these papers. I got this big pack of paper at I think Target 2 weeks ago because I just had so many thoughts. I needed to like get them out on big paper. I don't know if you guys ever do that. So I'm just gonna go through and plan that. I need to plan out next week because normally I do that Thursdays, so I feel really behind right now since it's Saturday. Okay, got all my planning done and my brain is now fried. Snack time and more laundry. Well, the rotated toys are a big hit. It's almost 8 o'clock. I totally forgot I was even filming today. We had gone to a little local thing where you could paint rocks, which lasted like a whole 2 seconds. And then the girls and I went over to the neighbors to do some water play and hang out. Sam actually vacuumed the van while we were there, which was so nice. And then we brought the girls home and laid them down. We actually had Subway for supper because after the rock thing, we're like, tired. We're just gonna do Subway and we're gonna prep 5 dinners in 1 hour either tomorrow night or we'll do it sometime this weekend, but we're not gonna show it because tomorrow I'm actually having a work day because I missed a work day last week because we were on vacation. So my mom's gonna watch the girls for a few hours so I can work on my business because I won't have a day this week because of 4th of July. So they normally go over on Mondays right now, so I'm missing that day. So I won't have time to do 5 dinners 1 hour, but we'll probably do it tomorrow after the girls go to bed. So anyway, I'm gonna watch some Gilmore Girls and relax on the couch. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you're getting done this weekend. I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July. I will see you soon. Bye. And more laundry.